लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स स्टैंडर्ड 9 चैप्टर 1 का ये लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है, लास्ट टॉपिक है लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट, जो हमने एक्चुअली 8th स्टैंडर्ड में क्लियर कर लिया है। फिर भी हम उसे रिवाइज कर रहे हैं पहले कि सपोज बेस सेम है, जैसे ए रेस टू एम इंटू ए रेस टू एन। बेस यानी यहाँ पर ए है वो बेस है, एम इज एक्सपोनेंट, a is base, m is an exponent. Here a is base, n is an exponent. If base are same and exponents are different or same, doesn't matter. And if there is product of these two terms, then it will be the base raised to addition of the powers m plus n. If there is product of two terms, then I can write base raised to addition of that two power. Similarly, for an example, I am taking 2 raised to 1 by 2 into 2 raised to 1 by 3. Then it will be base is 2 in both the terms. Power in first term is 1 by 2, in second term is 1 by 3. Then it will be 2 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Addition of power. Then it can be written as 2 raised to LCM is 6. 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. Then 3 plus 2. Then it will be 2 raised to 5 by 6. It will be the answer. So we are taking one more example. If power is negative, then also suppose here 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to minus 2. Then here base are same, 3 powers are different, 5 and minus 2. Then I can write 3 raised to 5 plus minus 2. Then it will be plus minus minus and power will be 5 raised 3 raised to 5 minus 2, and 3 raised to 5 minus 2 is equal to cube of 3. Then answer will be cube of 3. According to this first theorem, in which base are same and power are different, then we can write base raised to addition of that two powers. Okay, now a step ahead. Just an example, we are taking second theorem of its, just a minute, second theorem, in which similarly if base are same, that a raised to m upon a raised to n, in both the terms base are same, and if there is division of two terms, then I can write the base as it is. If I am taking the denominator's power in numerator, then sign of the power will be changed. It will be a raised to m, positive n goes in numerator, it will become negative n, so it will be a raised to m minus n. Okay, in same terms I can write, if a raised to m upon a raised to n, then I can also write 1 upon m is positive, goes into denominator, it becomes negative, then it will be a raised to n minus m. Okay, then I can write a raised to m upon a raised to n as a raised to m minus n if I am taking n into numerator, and if I am taking m into denominator, I can write a raised to n minus m. Okay, taking some examples of this formula here, 2 raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 3. Then I can write, if I am taking the denominator's power into numerator, then I can write 2 raised to 5 plus 3 comes into numerator, it becomes minus, it will be 2 raised to 5 minus 3, and 2 raised to 5 minus 3 means 2 raised to 2. Similarly, for the same example, I can write 2 raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 3 as 1 upon 2 raised to 3. If plus 5 comes in denominator, it will become minus, it will be 1 upon 2 raised to 3 minus 5, and 1 upon 2 raised to 3 minus 5 matlab 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2, and 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2. Here power of denominator is in negative, then if I convert it, or if I am taking the denominator in numerator, then the sign of power will be changed, then it will be only स्क्वायर ऑफ 2, यानी साइन जो पावर की साइन है वो चेंज हो जाएगी. अगर मैं इसे न्यूमरेटर में लेकर जा रहा हूँ तो जो नेगेटिव 2 है वो हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव, इसे लिखा जा सकता है ओनली 2 रेस टू 2 एंड 2 रेस टू 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, अभी एक और स्टेप आगे देख रहे हैं फॉरवर्ड. For an example, it is a raised to m into b raised to m. In this, powers are same, but base are different. In these cases, I'll multiply the base and power will be common of both of them. It will be a into b all raised to m. If power are same and base are different, remember. For example, if I am writing uh, under root 7 into under root 8, what it is, then under root 7 means 7 raised to 1 by 2 into under root 8 means 8 raised to 1 by 2. Then if power of both term are equal and the base are different, then I can write 7 8s are 56 whole raised to common power, which is 1 by 2. Then it will be under root 56, the answer. Okay. Now we are going ahead for the next term. Similarly, if I am writing to evaluate this, some examples are related to your exercise. If I am writing 16 raised to 1 by 4, then remember that multiplication of power can be happen like this: 16 and whole raised to 1 by 4. Here power is 1 by 4, and as we know 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. Remember that if there is some number in denominator, like here 4, there in term whatever is given, that here 16 is given, then 16 is fourth power of some number. मतलब कि अगर यहाँ पर 4 है डिनोमिनेटर, तो 16 किसी का 4 पावर होगा ही. जैसे 2 का 4 पावर है 16, तो ये 4 4 कट हो जाएगा भैया, क्योंकि पावर की पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है इस थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग कि a रेस टू m इंटू 1 होल रेस टू 1 अपॉन n. तो इसे मैं लिख सकता हूँ a रेस टू m इंटू 1 अपॉन n. तो ये लिखा जा सकता है a रेस टू m अपॉन n. कॉमन सी बात है, ठीक है. अब सपोज कि मैं लिख रहा हूँ 32 होल रेस टू 1 बाई 5, तो 32 को लिखा जा सकता है 2 रेस टू 5 होल रेस टू 1 बाई 5. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2 रेस टू 5 इंटू 1 बाई 5. ये 5 5 कट हो जाएगा, तो आंसर बचेगा आपके पास 2. ये कॉमन एग्जाम्पल है. इससे रिलेटेड आपका एक्सरसाइज 1.6 में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऐसे 2 या 3 क्वेश्चन दिए गए. सपोज आपको दिया गया है यहाँ पर 125 रेस टू माइनस 1 बाई 3, 125 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Then 125 is equal to cube of 5 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Then it will be 5 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 कट हो जाएगा. 5 raised to minus 1. 5 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 5. It's the common answer. Okay. तो यहाँ तक देख रहे हैं हम. ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका एक्सरसाइज 1.6 का खत्म हो गया, प्लस 1.6 से रिलेटेड जो थियरी थी वो खत्म हो गई. देन आगे देखते हैं. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर द चैप्टर विल बी कंप्लीटेड. टिल देन टेक केयर.